Well, good morning, and what a very early morning it is as well. It's currently about 4:45, and I've come down to the sort of mysterious Lymm Dam in Warrington. So come and join me, let's see what we can get. Straight off the bat, I'm going to apologise for the sound quality. I've just got out of the car, got all the gear out of the car, and I've dropped the camera and I've broke the mount where the microphone sits on, so the microphone's just sort of dangling down. Remove that, and I'm just on the mic, the inbuilt mic on the Osmo. So yeah, apologies. Blimey, midges already. So welcome to the vlog and welcome to the channel. This is a location I've been to a couple of times before. The last time I was here, I just got completely rained off. The weather conditions were absolutely horrendous, and everything just got completely soaked. So I wanted to return back here just to sort of see what I could do. Last time my creative juices just weren't there. It was just, everything was sodden, and I just wanted to get out of the place and get home, get a shower, and yeah, continue with my day. Yeah, so today's a little bit different. We've got a beautiful amount of mist on the lake. We've got potential for a decent sunrise. There's a little bit of cloud in the sky, so I'm going to just sort of try and take this opportunity now and just sort of walk around the lake and just sort of see, try and find a composition of what I can actually work to try and get the best of the sunrise. Now in the distance, just behind me there we go, we've got the church, so I might incorporate that into a couple of the shots, but yeah, it's just a bit of experimentation of what's around the area, and with a bit of the mist as well on the water and this beautiful still sort of pond. Yeah, we should be able to get something, so yeah, come and join me. 5 o'clock. No, oh, there's the countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the great thing about shooting around here, you've got all these jetties, all these little platforms for the fishermen. And because there's no fishermen here this morning, let's use the opportunity to set the tripod up and get a few shots from here. So I'm currently focusing just above the, just along the reservoir now, or the dam. Dam, just where the church is. Now the mist is sort of moving in a little bit more, and there's not really any colour in the sky, so it could be either a black and white or a bit of a monochrome sort of image this. But yeah, we'll wait and sort of see what it looks like. But yeah, I've got some reeds in the foreground, the reflections of the church in the background, and then the actual church further on with this tree above us. So yeah, we'll see what this image comes out like now. So I'm not really having a very successful morning. I've broken the microphone on the camera, and I've just squatted down and managed to get nettles caught between the back of my knees as I've sort of squished in between my legs. Ow. Anyway, I'm walking off my my injuries. I've come to a second location now where I've got a bit of a tree that's overgrown into the water. So I'm just taking a couple of images here now, still of the church. I was hoping for a little bit more colour in the sky, but that's just not happening now. And I can just see in the distance, you can probably tell by the light on my face, the sun is just starting to sort of peek up above the trees. So yeah, I'm going to just sort of see what else I can get from around this location now. Hopefully with the sun sort of settling on the leaves of the branches, it might just sort of make the tree glow a little bit and just give a bit more interest, really, I suppose. So once I've done in this location, I'm going to head further around to where there's a bit of a waterfall. Now we've had quite a bit of rain over the past couple of days, quite heavy torrential rain, but it's been dry for a while up until then, so I'm not really sure what the water level is going to be like when it's going to be a torrent of water, or it's just going to be something. I don't know what all this is, but yeah, I'm going to head over there in a couple of minutes once I've got a couple of images from here and once the sun's started to rise. As I say, I was hoping for a little bit more colour in the sky. That's just not happening. I think it's just one of those mornings where yeah, what can go wrong will go wrong. We're faced with these every now and again.
Just don't get enough from me. Said I'm gonna win. Catch you down on me. Just don't get enough from me. Said I'm gonna win. Catch you down on me. Just don't get enough from me.
Right, so I'm now moving on towards where this waterfall is. It's a bit of a walk to the other side, but yeah, it should make for some interesting images. Certainly if it's rushing. Now, judging by the path, it's fairly dry actually. Sort of the further you get into the woodland area, but yeah, hopefully it'll be something to take an image of. As I'm walking through here, I've noticed a few of the trees have come down. Yeah, we've not really had high winds. It's just been the rain. Who knows? So this is the location I tried to shoot from before, when it was absolutely horrendous rain. So yeah, it's a nice little change being here, and it's being quite dry. So I'm just going to take a few images of the waterfall now, just sort of see what I can get. There's a couple of gnarly trees that are right next to it. Now I've done a few shots before where I've sort of shot in between the trees and had the branches sort of in between and sort of focusing through onto the waterfall. So yeah, I'm just going to see what I can get today. Try something a little bit different, maybe try and get a little bit of creative juices flowing if you like, and yeah, just sort of see what I can get. But oh, such a change from last time. I'm actually sweating. It's really quite damp, quite misty, but it's actually quite warm. The car was reading 20 degrees on the way here, so yeah, it's really quite warm and muggy, but yeah, it makes for a nice change. As photographers, we're always striving for that clear, detailed shot. And one of the ways we achieve this is by using a tripod, and we're all the time saying, you know, these tripods need to be anchored down, they need to be as sturdy as they can do. When you're resting them against a tree, sort of with the legs off the ground and just sort of balancing, that's probably not the right thing to be doing. But when you need to get that shot, sometimes you just need to break those rules. Apologies for not doing a vlog in what feels like ages, but it's only actually been a couple of weeks. It's just been absolutely crazy with work and other commitments I've got. So to actually get out to a location has been such a struggle. But this morning, I thought, no, do you know what? I'm going to make the effort, get out, do a vlog, do some photography. I've not even picked the camera up since the last time I did my last vlog, which was in the middle of that cornfield doing the Fiddler's Ferry power station. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name's Ben. I'm a photographer based in the northwest, well, based in Warrington. And what I tend to do is try and travel out as far as I can. I'm not a professional photographer. I don't get paid for doing this. I don't get paid for my images. It's just something I enjoy doing. I like bringing you guys along with me. So yeah, if you've liked this video so far, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Leave a comment, let me know who you are, where you're from. So one of the main reasons for coming out this morning and doing a vlog is just basically to say thank you to everybody. People who've been there from the start, and the new subscribers have recently come on board as well. I've now cracked the 700 subscriber mark, which is absolutely fantastic. It's much more than I expected it to ever be. So again, thank you for everybody who's been there, who's supported me in the past, and everybody who's new to the channel. Welcome. So since I've been in this dense foliage, I've been sort of looking up at the sky in between the trees, and it looks like as if there's absolutely no colour, and I'm not sure if some clouds come across or whatever, but I'm going to have a bit of a walk around now. There's some interesting sandstone the further you walk around back towards where the car is, so I'm just going to have a walk along there now and sort of see if there's anything to be had. Yeah, I'll show you when I get there, really, I suppose. So I've just had to stop at the forest just behind me there. As I was walking through, the mist was on the ground and the sun was just shining through just between the trees. Didn't have time to actually vlog it, so I just thought, no, get the camera out, take a couple of shots. I'll show those now. That's the beauty on shooting mornings like today. You never know what you're going to get, and you've just got to grab that opportunity when you see it. So that's the sandstone that's behind me. I was hoping for a little bit of mottled light in between the rocks, but that's not to be. I don't think the sun's going to hit it for quite a while yet, and I really need to head off. So I've kind of finished the walk around Lymm Dam. As I said, it's a horseshoe shape that goes all the way around, and I'm pretty much back where I started. So if you've enjoyed this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. It'd be great to have you on board of the channel, and leave a comment. Let me know who you are, where you're from, and which is your favourite image as well. It'd be great to hear from you. So from Lymm Dam in Warrington on this gorgeous morning, it's time to finish. All the best, take care, bye bye now.